Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to recharge your AC system on 2012 Suzuki SX4. To do this job by yourself, you're going to need AC hose and can of AC refrigerant. First thing, you will have to attach AC can to the AC hose. Then you need to locate your low AC port. So we have high one here at the front of the engine, and if you follow these hose lines you can see the low port. Once AC hose is attached to the low port, you'll have to start your vehicle, turn your AC on, and set up the blower to the full speed. Now we have AC on, blower is on full speed, and we select recirculation air inside the vehicle. Now we can check what's the refrigerant level in the vehicle. As we can see, this AC system definitely needs some additional refrigerant. Ideally, you want your black needle into the blue field. And to start this process now, you need to turn your can clockwise. And it's a good idea to turn it upside down. As we can see, it starts charging. You will have to empty the whole can, but you need to make sure that black needle doesn't pass the blue line. After recharging with only one can, I already have very cool breeze blowing out. After you're done recharging, you will have to disconnect the AC hose. Put the cap back on. When you are recharging your AC system by yourself, you always want to make sure the type of AC refrigerant that your vehicle is taking and the capacity. It can be usually found under the hood on the stickers like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.